Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking on level ground and turning the ignition off. The cabin air filter sits behind the glove box on the passenger side of the 2019 Ford Expedition. Open the glove box fully, then squeeze the side walls inward to release the glove box stops. This lets the box drop down. Locate and unclip the small plastic damper arm on the right side by sliding it off, and remove any visible screws with a Phillips driver. Work on a flat surface, and keep fasteners in a tray so no screws are lost. With the glove box lowered, find the rectangular filter housing cover and unclip the two plastic tabs. Pull the cover straight out and set it aside. Slide the old cabin air filter out in the same plane, watching for accumulated leaves, dust, and insects that may fall into the duct. Observe and note the airflow arrow printed on the filter so you reinstall the new unit in the correct direction. If the filter shows heavy dirt or odor, replace it now. Recommended replacement is every 15,000 miles. Take a new OEM or equivalent cabin air filter and confirm the airflow arrow points toward the vehicle interior before inserting it into the housing. Slide the filter fully into place so it seats evenly, then snap the filter housing cover back on until both tabs click. Reconnect the damper arm by aligning the small hook and pressing it onto the post. Then lift the glove box, squeeze the side walls to fit the stops, and let it close. Test the glove box function, and run the fan on low to confirm there are no rattles or airflow restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.